The latest in battery tech has hit the shelves with Metabo's portable USB power delivery charger, used as a charger for your Metabo 18-volt batteries and a mobile power bank at the same time. With two USB-C charging ports, you can charge up to 2 devices in parallel. Coming complete with a heavy-duty power plug and a braided USB-C cable, the charger also comes with a handy LED light in case you need close-up illumination on the go. Quickly ready to use, all you have to do is push the pack onto your Metabo 18-volt battery, connect to any USB-C power source or use the power plug, and start the charging process. Need to charge your phone? Just quickly attach another cord and get up to 65 watts of charging, and get peace of mind knowing with the power delivery control 2, you can charge your phone, laptop or tablet without frying it. If you want it as a permanent fixture in your workshop or in your Utes canopy, the drilled keyhole makes it easy to mount, or use the belt hook to keep it on you all day long. This Metabo portable USB power delivery charger gives you flexibility and convenience for your charging needs. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know down in the comments, or you can grab your own at your nearest TradeTools store or online at TradeTools.com.